Yeah, so I got to, when I started, I thought, okay, this is great. Here I am. I made it. And then you look around, I spent 2 years making PowerPoint presentations and thought, man, this sucks. And then you talk about the masters of the universe, and I look around the trading floor and I thought, man, first of all, these guys really define themselves as human beings based on their job and not a lot of other, I mean, I'm generalizing here, but
Yeah.
I just found that people took themselves far too seriously and defined themselves primarily based on their job as opposed to any other aspect of their life, which to me was a little bit sad. And then I also looked around and I thought, man, there aren't that many of these people who are really that impressive. I mean, this is kind of, to some extent, monkey work. I mean, obviously it changes as you grow up, but that was my experience as an analyst. And so that was really when I started collecting notes with the intention of eventually writing a book about it.